Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drones for photography. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a drone with 4K camera, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Vimillo GPS Drone with Camera. Brand name, Vimillo. Model number, K60. 6K Ultra HD Photography GPS Drone. K60 Pro drone is equipped with 6K Ultra High Definition pixels. The 2-axis PTZ escape camera improves the shooting stability of the drone camera, and can resist the 8th level of gale. Even if you lose control, the drone can go home. GPS Intelligent Positioning Technology can accurately lock the flight position. GPS Positioning plus 2-axis universal joint improves the stability of aerial photography. The brushless motor increases the flying power of the drone. 6K Ultra HD Aerial Photography, 6K Movie Level HD Aerial Photography. The images restore the real scenery, the colors are rich and vivid, and the pictures are more real and natural, allowing you to enjoy the fun of shooting. Make your aerial photography creation more free and take film-level photos more easily. 5G High Definition Image Transmission. Advanced 5G image transmission technology, the transmission picture is smooth and clear. You can watch high-definition aerial images in real time on your mobile phone. Feel the world from different angles, and experience the perspective of God. 5G Wi-Fi signal, strong anti-interference, clear and smooth image, can realize long-distance transmission. Automatic tracking, in GPS positioning mode, control the drone to fly within 2 meters of the controller, and then turn on the automatic tracking function, that is, automatically track the movement of the controller. Turn on the aerial photography function to realize automatic aerial photography. This Vimillo drone can lock and track the target, and easily take difficult aerial photography. Number 4. Salmoph GPS Brushless Quadcopter Drone. Brand name, Salmoph. Model number, SG906 Pro. GPS drone with Wi-Fi 4K camera. 3-axis anti-shake gimbal brushless professional quadcopter drone. GPS 1 key return to takeoff point, low power return, no signal return. GPS intelligent follow, after the aircraft links the GPS, turn on the app follow function, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Image following, 1 to 5 meter away from the aircraft to identify the subject and carry out automatic following flight. Gesture shooting recognition, within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, make a photo gesture camera gesture in front of the camera. Route multi-point planning flight, the aircraft flies independently according to the preset route, and the players focus on shooting. Fixed point orbit, find the orbit center point, and then move the desired orbit radius through the rocker. Aircraft retrieval function, click the GPS signal icon 3 times in a row, open the map interface, and the map displays the last distance, longitude and latitude position of the aircraft. MV function, filter, video effect, background music, picture video sharing. Number 3. LSRC GPS 4K HD Camera Drone. Brand, LSRC. GPS Drone 4K HD Camera. Foldable and lightweight design, foldable drone arms with comfortable sense of touch. Can withstand thousands of folding tests. Portable to hold it on your hand. Mini size with amazing power. Mechanical 3-axis gimbal, hardware level micro stabilizer auto adjust to keep the camera always face front, can reduce 98% shake to ensure clear pictures and videos. Total weight under 430 grams. See Fly Faith 4K version, upgraded from Faith with 4K photo resolution. Powerful motors with minimal noise, adopt premium brushless motors with strong power and long lifespan. Up to 25 minutes flight time, easy to install high capacity module battery with steady performance. GPS GLONASS dual mode. Flight height, 120 meters by default, 500 meters can be set. Indoor positioning, optical flow plus ultrasonic. 3-axis gimbal, mechanical stability of brushless motor. Flying battery, 2400 mAh. Number 2. Laumox 4K GPS Drone. Brand name, Laumox. Model number, MJXB20. Brushless motor Quadcopter Professional SG906 Pro. Electronic image stabilization. ICE is a highly effective method of compensating for hand jitter, manifests itself in distracting video shake during playback. Adjustable camera. Camera angle can be controlled to pitch from -90 degree to 0 degree. 4K camera. 4K camera records more details. Optical flow positioning. The built-in optical flow sensor that gets the real-time optical flow information and makes integrating computations. Follow me. The drone's camera will lock on your mobile phone. When using this function, the drone will track you automatically and capture your movement with particular aerial view. Flying time, about 22 minutes. Quadcopter weight, 543 grams. Max flying time, 22 minutes. Number 1. FIMI Quadcopter RC 4K Drone. Brand name, FIMI. 4K camera GPS RC drone quadcopter with foldable and portable design. The drone is easy to carry. 3-axis mechanical gimbal. It combines a lightweight 3-axis mechanical gimbal with the latest professional control algorithms, bringing in the ultra-smooth and jello-free videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. HDR video and photo, high dynamic range video support. The FIMI X8 2020 makes your shots look stunning by preserving the original detail, light and color tones of your scene or subject. Night shot. You can take your drone with you to capture the beauty of night. HEVC. Video shot in H.265 HEVC code preserve quality and details while occupying 40% less storage compared to videos shot in H.264 AVC. 30 meters optical flow positioning. The latest positioning system utilizes the downside camera to keep the drone stably hovering at up to 30 meters even without GPS. Flight time is up to 35 minutes with 11.4 volt 4500 mAh LiPo battery. 8 km range, an increased sensitivity by 5 dB ensures a longer transmission distance of up to 8 km.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.